If a man is available to you anytime you call, he is there. Anytime you need his presence, he is there. You text him, he replies. You call him, he picks up. He is 100% committed to you, available for you. I don't take him for granted, as we often realize someone's value only after we lose them. Don't lose a good man who is always there for you. The fact that he is reliable and always available doesn't mean he has nothing better to do. It doesn't mean he lacks friends or a social life. It simply means that he consistently takes time out of his day for you. He has reserved a space in his heart for you. The day that good man turns his back on you, you'll understand the difference between warmth and coldness. It's easy to forget the value of consistency and devotion until it's gone. A man like that shows up because he cares, not because he's obligated. So if he's always there for you, love and appreciate him fully, because good men who are reliable and committed are rare. To whom sense is given, wisdom is expected. Take advantage of that man's dedication by loving him with all your heart. A man who cares for you and makes time for you is worth holding on to.